everyone, welcome to Real Maya channel. Today I'm going to show you something new. Join me while cooking. I'm going to make buns for pav bhaji. So I've taken half spoon jaggery and half spoon active yeast. Then I'm going to add hot water to this. This gets activated. I'm just going to mix this and just wait for 5 minutes so that the yeast gets activated. So we add jaggery so that the yeast gets some sugars and it grows. My yeast is getting activated and I'm going to wait for 5 minutes. Been sitting here for 4 to 5 minutes. It's almost activated. So I'm going to add wheat flour. I'm using 2 cups wheat flour. So I'm using whole wheat flour. So you can even activate with sugar, but I don't use sugar. I stopped it since 15 years. We are not using any sugar at home. So the replacement is jaggery. So I'm going to mix all. I'm going to add wheat flour to this and mix it well. Then I'm going to add water as needed. Well, then I'm going to apply few drops oil and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. I'm just going to cover it for 10 minutes and wait. Wheat flour dough sitting on the counter. I'm going to preheat. So first one I'm going to try in the salt. So this salt I'm going to use repeatedly. So same salt I'm going to use. That's the reason it's little darker at the bottom. And just turn down the stove. And the other method is going to be in the oven. So my heat is going on. So my preheat is going on. Then I'll show what's happening. It's been sitting for 20 minutes. Now it's ready. So I'm going to mix it well again. Actually it takes 20 to 30 minutes. I'm just going to take small portion, lemon size, and it's important to fold it inside like this. I'll show you one more. Just applying some oil to hands. Just fold it inside like this. I'm going to continue this. So I placed 4 of them in the salt one. So this is jaggery and milk. So with this, when we just apply a little bit, then this gives nice shining on it. You get nice color and shine. And it's very important to keep it a little closer, because when this expands and the whole thing comes as nice elevated bun. The same thing I'm going to do rest of them. I'm going to cover it. These are for baking in the oven. This is how it looks when we cut it, and it took me at least 25 minutes in the oven and 30 minutes on the stove. It was little more time on the stove, but I think on the gas stove it will take less time. So do try this and let me know how it came out. The taste is very good. I can say excellent. We really had good tasty ones and enjoyed with the pav bhaji curry, and hope you guys also will like this, and let me know your comments below and I can show you more baking recipes. For full description, look into the description box below, and if you like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe my channel, and see you with next video. Until then, bye.